Alright, we're here today on my sister's property, and got my nephew with me here, and we're doing a little hay baling, and that's just part of it to get to hunt on this property. And not only is my nephew, he's got a great mullet, and he's actually a TikTok sensation.
A little bit.
Correct?
Yes.
What's your name on TikTok?
Blue Brick _
Blue Brick _ check him out. He's got farm use, the AKA the big farm truck. We all love it. So what we got here, we got like an antique, don't we, Callum?
Oh yeah, that's all we farm with is antiques. We got a 346 John Deere Baler here. It's been putting out bales. We got it working about 3 years ago, and it's been punching bales out ever since. Haven't skipped a beat.
Now, when you bought this thing, was it running? You just have to get it up to par.
We had to get it up to par. So it took a lot of work. I was head first in the chute, just my feet dangling out, you know, changing knives and doing all sorts of stuff. A lot of PB blaster, get this thing unseized.
Yep. Now, a lot of younger people ain't used to seeing these square bales out in the field.
Yeah, they're
see them
sitting in that cab, you know, going in. And
yep, punching them big round ones out,
yeah.
You know. That's what I remember growing up, all the square ones.
This is old school right here.
Not a lot of people do the square no more.
No.
So how's this operation work here?
So the PTO turns the flywheel.
Yep.
And inside here,
we get to look at some guts here.
That flywheel turns this plunger. And that plunger is what goes in and compresses the hay.
Yep. And you'll see that arm pumping up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And all this spins. This will pick up the hay, bring it in here, and the auger pushes it over. That snags it, pulls it into the bale chamber, and then the plunger goes in and packs it.
And then on the back side,
this is our knotter. So the string comes out of the bottom. It's fed all the way under through the needles into the knotter. And this, I'm still curious on how it actually ties a knot. It is I would have never been able to invent this. It is very sophisticated.
That's somebody that's more intelligent than you and I put together, probably.
I can run it. I can't invent it. But the string will come up in here, tie a knot, cut it off, and then you'll see the bale slowly pushed out. This can adjust your bale, how tight you want them, you know, how dense,
yep,
how heavy.
And you've already done some little baling, and you've got a partial bale in here right now.
Yep, that's a bale right there.
Yep.
You can see where the new one starts here.
That's where your string started on your new one. And Dan, he's out right now doing some raking.
Yep. What
kind of raking's you using?
We use a bar rake.
Bar rake?
And a lot of people, most people nowadays, it's hard to find someone that uses a bar rake. They'll use wheel rakes, and they are very efficient. Wheel rakes are very efficient. They're also very expensive and very large. And for what we do here, bar rakes work just fine. We can get everything up, get everything moved. It really works for us.
It's a neat little contraption. Mm-hmm. Now, how old do you think that bar rake is? Same. Older than you?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Everything we got is older than me.
Well, we couldn't kill no turkeys this morning, so we're having to show some farming.
Yeah.
Yep.
Say close second.
Close second. We'd rather kill turkeys than farm, but
we would.
We're right in the middle of doing some hay bales, so we'll get out here and get this thing running, and it's pretty neat to watch. Not neat to finished product when you're throwing it up in the trailer.
You don't want to have to clean up after this thing.
No.
It's not fun.
No. bale. First bale.
Sure wouldn't want to do that without that bale there.
No, I had to.
Could you imagine?
Callum, has this been a good graduation present all day?
It's been great. Love it.
Oh,
Now we got to get a shower and go straight to graduation.
Yeah.
Well, we get to eat some good food first.
Well, that's true.
Supper first.
It's going to take me 30, 45 minutes to quit sweating.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.